Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to do 8 patterns on a Rubik's Cube. So the first pattern is called the checkerboard pattern. So you basically just turn all the middle layers 180 degrees. Okay, sorry. Camera up a little bit. Come on. There we go. And do the rotate it around. Wait, never mind. I was just thinking of the algorithm for rotating one corner, but turn on the middle layers 180 degrees. Okay, I actually just changed my mind to one more pattern. It's my favorite pattern, and it looks a lot like the checkerboard pattern. So just do the same thing until the cube is solved. Okay. The next pattern is the super flip, which is just really cool. It's my favorite pattern that I know how to do on a Rubik's Cube. It's and prime U and prime U and prime U and prime U, and then you rotate it around like that, and prime U and prime U and prime U and prime U, and rotate it around again, and prime U and prime U and prime U and prime U, and there you go, you have it. And prime U 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 and prime U. And there you go, you have it solved. And thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. So leave a like and a comment down below, and also do it in the other video where the algorithm for rotating